Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now I'm going to discuss database in the Python. Now I'm going to discuss how we can connect the database to the Python. Like there are SQLite 3, that is a built-in database with the Python, and how we can connect to the MySQL database. So how the connection has to be established, and how the connection string, all these things we'll explain, and some examples we'll discuss so that we can get a brief idea how we can use the database in the Python programming. So I'll start with, yeah, here we need to understand how database can be connected with Python. Actually, there is a one database, the already existing database, that is SQLite 3. There is another database like MySQL also we need to connect, and there is a Postgres, Oracle. This is how we can connect. This is a already existing thing, that is a built-in database. MySQL is most popularly used. How we can connect all these things we'll discuss. And if you want to use SQLite, we need to import SQLite, SQLite 3. And when you have to use MySQL, we need to import MySQL dot connector. So like that, there is a different ways we have to use actually. Okay, we'll see an example so that we can understand how the statements we can write in the database with example. Here, import MySQL dot connector. We need to give the connection. How we have to do the connection is, we have to write some variable db1 mysql dot connector dot connect. Now you have to give the values like what is the host name, the local host, user, user is generally root only, and password, let us say password is admin, and we have to give the port number 3306 for especially for MySQL. Once connection details is completed, then we have to give the program like this. After give the connection details, now we have to give my cursor, our own variable, right? This is our own variable, is equal to the db1, this is connection name, dot cursor. So this establish one object, we have to create one object for this. After that, this my cursor dot execute, create a database like mydb. MyDB is our database, let us say. Like that we can give. This is a way we can create a database name with a MyDB. So this way we can create a database, our own database. Now if you want to create any tables in this database, my cursor dot execute of create table, some table name or table one. I have to give table one is a table name, okay, the bracket, some name is a varchar of 20 and comma, user name is also varchar. So like this, we can create a table with a table name table 1. So like this we can create a table, and if you want to write some any statements like select statement also, my cursor dot execute of select star from mydb, like that. So you can write all the statements within that, and after end of that we can write this db1 dot commit, and also for a close the connection of the database db1 dot close. Yeah, this is a way we can write a connection establishment between the database to the Python. Hope you understand. Thank you.